a special guest.
Hi.
Aiden's gonna tell us about dinosaurs.
This is a Styracosaurus. You can see it's a kind of triceratops, but doesn't have 3 horns. We got 1 horn, we got 2 horns, we got 3, we got 4, we got 5, we got 6, we got 7, we got 8, we got 9, and we got 10 horns. This one is a pterodactyl. I got this toy from Dinosaur World. That one's from my grandma.
And did you know that a pteranodon is actually not a herbivore that only eats fish? It's actually a meat eater that doesn't have teeth. And did you know that a pterodactyl's crest is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 meters long. And for example, so you know how tall this is, from the Blippi song that's made by the show Blippi.
Did you know that a pterodactyl is as tall as a giraffe?
Now we're gonna look for some fossils.
And we're just gonna jizzle it up. I think we should get some water and pour it on this. And also, did you know that an Ankylosaurus, which is a kind of Stegosaurus, is the size of Hank? Oh, we got it! Holy moly! Man, we're getting it! Oh, don't bust it off! This is it! Here we go! Bam! Bam! Man! Getting it! Good. Oh, busted it! Bang that big old piece off, man. Yeah, I'm just gonna look at it with my flashlight to see if we're getting anything. Yeah, we're definitely getting something. Definitely the bone. I'm taking it up. I think it's definitely gonna be a triceratops.
Oh,
Crap. Hey, oh, you got a big piece! Oh, you can see the ribs a little bit right there.
Whoa, I got a dinosaur.
Whoa. Got a foot. Looks like a brachiosaurus? I don't know. Might be a brachiosaurus, but I don't really think so. Well, this, I think it looks like well, this has a long neck, you guys. Well, I think, and the only dino I know that has a long neck is a Patasaurus.
No, Brachiosaurus.
Well, there's all different kinds of Brachiosaurus. A Patasaurus, a Brachiosaurus, which is a Brachiosaurus, and
What's a Brachiosaurus?
well, there's all different kinds of them.
Whoa, I broke a lot. A little bit more. Man, this is a big piece.
Yeah, we're gonna have to snap the bone and the other bone together. Man, we finally got it. I don't know what this is, but it's definitely not a Brachiosaurus because look, it only has 2 feet. It has sharp teeth right here. So I'm just gonna say this is actually I think it's got a long neck T-Rex. That's what I'm gonna say. I never seen a T-Rex with a long neck. Maybe it's a new species. Like they mixed a T-Rex DNA up with a Brachiosaurus DNA. Yeah, Brachiorex. Okay, you guys. Now what we're gonna do is we're just gonna snap it together. I don't know about this. Wait a second. It's T-Rex because it has short arms.
Whoa.
I knew it was T-Rex.
This is definitely a
not a Brachiosaurus, it's a T-Rex. Can't believe it was a T-Rex this whole entire time. So this is a T-Rex. It's a toy. It's not made out of wood. You can open its mouth and close it. But I just want to say thank you, and also this is a great Dino dig toy. I love it. I just love it, love it, love it. Well, I thought this was a neck and this was the tail. And at first I thought it was a Brachiosaurus, but I was wrong because I saw these two little short arms. And did you know if a T-Rex had poison ivy on his chin, he would have been like, I can't scratch my chin. Like and subscribe for the Steam Team with Lily and me. Thanks for coming in. Okay, thanks. It's an honor to be here, but the video's not over yet.